Today on Appsolute, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. Maximizing Android browsing efficiency with the Kiwi Browser. If you're tired of slow browsing speeds and want to supercharge your online experience, then this episode is for you. Join me as I introduce you to the world of browser extensions on an Android device. To start off, let's talk about browser extensions. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a browser extension? Well, a browser extension is a small software program that extends the functionality of your web browser. It allows you to customize your browsing experience and add new features to your browser. These extensions are usually developed by third-party developers and can be installed directly into your browser. So, why should you consider using browser extensions? Here are 3 benefits they offer. Enhanced productivity. Browser extensions can help you become more efficient and productive while browsing the web. They offer features like note-taking, task management, and language translation, making it easier to stay organized and focused. Customization options. With them, you can personalize your browsing experience according to your preferences. You can add themes, change the appearance of websites, and even block unwanted ads or pop-ups. Improved security. Many browser extensions provide additional security features that protect you from malicious websites, phishing attempts, and online trackers. These extensions act as a shield against potential threats, keeping your browsing experience safe and secure. Now that we understand the benefits of browser extensions, let's move on to our recommended Chromium browser, Kiwi. Kiwi is a powerful and feature-rich browser based on the Chromium open source project. Chromium browsers are known for their speed, stability, and compatibility with a wide range of websites and extensions. Kiwi takes these qualities to the next level, offering a user-friendly interface and various tools for maximizing browsing efficiency. To let you have a feel of this, I'll be taking you through the installation of an amazing browser extension. I'll also show you how it works and how that singular functionality can improve your browsing experience to a great extent. Let's dive right in. Firstly, go to the Android Play Store, search for Kiwi Browser and install it on your device. When this is done, let's go on ahead to install. I already have it installed, so I go ahead to open it. Open the Kiwi Browser. Visit the Chrome Web Store at chrome.google.com. Web Store in the Search tab, type Pocket, then select Pocket, Save to Pocket. Click on Add to Chrome. Grant it the permission it requires. The installation should take a while depending on your internet speed. After it's done installing, click on the 3-dot icon, scroll down, you should see the extension, Save to Pocket. Click on the extension. It should open a page asking you to sign up with them. Do so with your Google accounts or any other account that's accepted. I already signed up before, so I guess it remembers. After the sign up, we're all set. Browse through the web and feel free to save those timeless blog posts and videos for your consumption at a later time. Isn't this wonderful? You can download more extensions in the browser and improve your productivity with just your Android device. Now that we have gotten wind of the basics, it's essential to note that security is a thing. While browser extensions can greatly enhance your browsing experience, it's crucial to exercise caution. Here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Stick to trusted sources. Only download browser extensions from reputable sources like the Chrome Web Store or the Kiwi Extensions Gallery. These platforms have security measures in place to ensure that the extensions are safe to use. 2. Read reviews and ratings. Before installing an extension, take the time to read reviews and check the ratings. Look for extensions that have positive feedback and a substantial user base. This helps you gauge the reliability and effectiveness of the extension. 3. Permissions and privacy. Pay attention to the permissions requested by the extension. Be wary of extensions that ask for excessive access to your personal information or browser history. If an extension requests more permissions than it actually needs, it could be a red flag. 4. Regular updates. Keep your extensions up to date. Developers often release updates to address security vulnerabilities and improve performance. By updating your extensions regularly, you ensure that you have the latest security patches. It's important to remember that while browser extensions can enhance your browsing experience, they can also pose potential risks if not used responsibly. Always exercise caution and be mindful of the extensions you install. And that's a wrap for today's episode. We hope you found this information helpful and are excited to try out this recommendation. Remember, by using Kiwi or any other Chromium browser, you can supercharge your browsing experience and make the most out of your time online using an Android device. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with browser extensions, feel free to reach out to us on our social media channels. Stay tuned for more exciting topics on Appsolute. Until next time, happy browsing!